In Pro, in the Catalog pane, expand folders if necessary. Right-click the Crater Lake Home folder and choose Refresh to make sure it is up to date. Expand the Crater Lake and My Downloads folders. Drag the NLCD TIFF image, not the JPEG, into the map. Zoom to its extent. Open the properties for the NLCD layer and examine the source section. Expand and examine the spatial reference and the raster information headings. In the Geoprocessing pane, search for CLIP. The CLIP analysis tool is for vector data. The CLIP data management tool works on rasters. Open the CLIP data management tool. Set the input raster to the NLCD layer. Set the output extent to DEM30M. Name the output raster Land Cover. Set the No Data value to No Data and check the box to maintain clipping extent. Click the Environments heading on the tool. Set the output coordinate system to DEM30 so they match. Set the snap raster to DEM30 also so the cells align. At the bottom, set the resample option to nearest. Run the tool. Remove the original NLCD layer and zoom to the new raster. Open the Land Cover attribute table to see the land cover categories. Close the table. Save the project. In the Catalog pane, find the Park Boundary feature class in the Crater Lake geodatabase and add it to the map. In the Catalog pane, click on the Portal tab and choose the All Portal icon. Search for ground surface. Locate the ground surface elevation -30M imagery layer and add it to the map. Examine the image source properties to learn its coordinate system, pixel type, and depth. In Contents, right-click the ground surface elevation layer and choose Data, Export Raster. For the output raster, click the Browse button and navigate into the Crater Lake Home Geodatabase. Name the output raster Park DEM30M. Set the coordinate system to match the park boundary layer. Set the clipping geometry to park boundary and check the box for Use Input Features for Clipping Geometry. Leave the clipping type set to Outside. Round the X and Y cell sizes to 30 and set the No Data value to No Data. Switch to the Settings tab and change the resample method, the top one, not the pyramid one. to bilinear. Click Export. Close the Export Raster window when it finishes, and turn off Park Boundary. Remove the ground surface elevation imagery layer, and save the project. Reopen the National Map Browser window that was minimized earlier. Click the Datasets tab at the top left. Uncheck the NLCD product and check the Elevation Products 3DEP. Uncheck the 1/3 arcsecond DEM product and check the 1/9 arcsecond product. Note that the data extent tiles are 15-minute quadrangles and the file format is IMG. Click Find Products. 8 of them will usually appear. Use the thumbnail to find the product with the lake. Click the thumbnail link to show it on the map. Add it to the cart. Use the thumbnails to identify quadrangles east and west of the lake. Check by displaying the thumbnail on the map. To remove a wrong thumbnail from the map, click the same thumbnail link again. Add the right ones to the cart also. When done, the map should look similar to this, and the cart should contain 3 products. Click View Cart. Download the products to the Crater Lake My Downloads folder. Be sure to note the names of the files as they are saved. Wait for each download. Minimize the browser. Use File Explorer to unzip all 3 downloaded files. Click Yes to all when asked to replace the NED Data Dictionary URL file. Some similar metadata files are downloaded with each piece. In Pro, in the Catalog pane, in the Project tab, refresh the My Downloads folder. Turn off all layers in the map. Click Map, Add Data, and navigate to the My Downloads folder. Hold the Control key down and click each of the 3 DEM rasters to select them. They all start with NED and have a .img extension. Don't add the JPEG files by mistake. Figure out which is which, and name the layers NED West, NED Lake, and NED East. Open the layer properties for Ned Lake and examine the spatial reference and the raster information sections.